Today at BelMetric, we're going to teach you all about our SEMS screws. These pre-assembled fasteners consist of three parts: a machine screw and two captive washers. The machine screw is a JISB 1188 Phillips panhead made of 4.8 steel. Under the panhead are the two washers, a helical split-lock washer, and beneath that is a flat washer. SEMS screws are beneficial for many reasons, including saving time by eliminating assembly of individual components, reducing loss of loose parts during assembly, compatibility with automated production equipment, and more. In industries like electronics, energy, automotive, agriculture, and more. SEMS screws can be found on BelMetric.com here.